Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Manqoba Mngqithi has downplayed suggestions that his team faces the toughest group in the CAF Champions League, stating that all groups present formidable challenges. Sundowns have been drawn in Group B alongside Moroccan powerhouses Raja Casablanca, AS FAR and Democratic Republic of Congo's Minemia Union. While some have labeled it the group of death, Mngqithi believes every group offers its own set of difficulties and said all the group are very tough. He was speaking with Sundowns media department and said, "I hear people say our group is the toughest. But just look at Al Ahly's group, which includes Orlando Pirates, CR Belouizdad, and Stade d'Abidjan." He acknowledged that Sundowns' opponents, particularly the Moroccan clubs, pose significant threats. As FAR and Raja have been top teams in Morocco over the last few seasons. As FAR were on the standout teams last season, while Raja has been a dominant force for years and made a strong comeback, edging out a wide Casablanca. Mngqithi pointed to Raja's remarkable form last season, highlighting their record-breaking performances, but emphasized that as FAR's recent resurgence makes them equally dangerous, and said it would be ignorant to think as FAR would be less difficult than Raja. They've been on the rise and are a very challenging team. Despite the spotlight on Raja and as FAR, Mngqithi cautioned against underestimating Minemia Union, a team Sundowns faced in 2021, and said they might be the dark horse of the group. When we played them in 2021, they were relatively unknown, but gave us a tough time. It's a banana-skin fixture. Sundowns managed to overcome Minemia 4-2 on aggregate in the 2021 second preliminary round to secure a spot in the group stage, but Mngqithi warned that past results won't guarantee future success. Sundowns will kick off their group campaign against Minemia Union on November 26, a match they will host on home soil, and said if we want to win the Champions League, we have to be prepared for these kinds of challenges. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.